Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to show you something very interesting. So Ollama is something that we have previously covered out in my video with that API, but it has a GUI also. Okay, so this is a very interesting topic to talk with. So Ollama is a local database for any LLM, big LLM. So if you go on the model section, you can see there are a lot of models that are locally set up. But Ollama also have a web UI, and that web UI also can connect with the chat GPT itself. So if you have a chat GPT account, not a paid one, it can be used by a free one as well. Okay, so you can also connect that UI to the Ollama interface as well. So you can either go with the local interface or you can use the ChatGPT interface in the same UI. So this is what I'm going to cover. There is no code required for it, but you need something, and I will be covering it out. Okay, so this is the Open Web UI, formerly Ollama UI. This is the UI, and this is very interesting. Okay, so I was playing with it, so I thought I would cover it out. I do not know if somebody has covered it out on YouTube itself right now. Okay, so first you have to download the Docker. Okay, and this is very straightforward in Windows and anything else. That's very simple. Okay, so you have to download the Docker. Okay, once the Docker is set up, you have to start the Ollama. So basically, Ollama is already installed in your system, and if you go onto the Ollama, you can download the Ollama. It's Windows version. You can download it. You can start the Ollama either you would be on the tray, or you can start it by Ollama serve. It has a command line interface as well for Windows. Okay, so you can start the Ollama and you can see my Ollama is started, and you can verify that Ollama is running. You can go to this port number and Ollama is running, and it is also been told here that once you download the Ollama, you can go and verify down this URL. So after doing this, you just have to run this command, and the Docker is also running. So if you double click out, the Docker is also running, and this is downloaded actually. So first you have to run this command. This command will download everything, and localhost 3000 will be open out. So Ollama is running, Docker should be running, and then once this is installed, you can see, you can check same UI like ChatGPT. Now the interesting fact is you can click here and see the Llama 2. I have just downloaded one model of the Ollama, and here is the model Llama 2. Actually, I was covering this video when the API was doing covering out this video, so I have installed the Llama 2. This is also doing the same thing that I have shown here exactly, the API. It's actually triggering the API for the model. If you go on to this Llama 2, and if you go on to this one, you can see this is the API.generate, and it is sending the same request to that API. But it also comes with a feature. If you go into the settings, you can, if you go into the connection, so I cannot go into the connection because it is showing the API key there for the ChatGPT, and that is a paid one, so I cannot show that. The model is there. Obviously you can enter, pull down the model from the Ollama. So if you pull down one model from Ollama, wanted to put down one model from Ollama, you can just go and grab the name and add it over here, and it will be downloading that model. Right now I have only Llama 2 there. Okay, so interface is there, the current model Ollama, audio is there. There are a lot of settings, images are there, enter the URLs, automatically bypass the URL. So there is a lot of things going on into this section exactly, and this is very interesting. So if you wanted to chat, you can chat, you can go with this one. So hello, it's a fully covered system. It's so blazing fast here. And you can also, once you have done that, you cannot change the model. That's a limitation over here. So you have to click and select the model before you start on. So as it is a paid ChatGPT, so it has all the access to the models. Now, if you have a free one, it's only 3.5 tower exactly. So you can use the Ollama, and it will take some time to grab that information exactly. So this is how it is getting. This is taking a little bit of time because I do not know if my system is having a little bit of problem with this. But as Windows version has just now released with Ollama, there are something to be improved out. But it's still giving the results, and it's also showing the result in a very slower manner. But obviously, it will improve by the end day time. But the chat GPT one is blazing fast. You can see what is the so anything you asked, it gives a response. You can use any kind of models you want. This is absolutely fantastic feature by the Ollama, and this community is very good. They have done a very good job in this one. Absolutely, hats off to their coding standards and everything. This has been absolutely phenomenal on this one. Okay, and they are using it. I'm telling this because you should also, as a developer, you should use this, because we day by day using this kind of stuff in our development and everything purposes. So it would be very good to use this kind of things. If you like my video, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.